Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. You're looking after yourself. You're staying hydrated. You're maybe feeling sexy, feeling energetic, feeling creative. You know, I hope you are feeling great today. And if you ain't feeling that great, don't worry because you're part of that Wagwan Tarot Anti Collective. And if you haven't subscribed already, come and subscribe now, man. Come on and join the family, the collective, the squad, the gang. Come and join. We're all about love and light energy, spiritual coaching, growth, healing. It's a safe space. All right, come and join the Wagwan Tarot Anti Collective. All right, so what we're going to do today is a little bit different. We have free pals because that's what we do around here, okay? But what we're doing today is we're going to do a pick a card reading, but we're also going to do a meditation as well. So with tarot and meditation, they're all interlinked, and it's a really good way to help you to kind of get into that meditative state, to help you feel relaxed, and to help you feel comfortable. And we're going to use the cards in this way to meditate. So I hope you really like it and that the messages resonate. And you know what we also do around here? We take what resonates and we leave the rest. I saw it go around here. I saw it go. So I hope there's a number that resonates with you. But if there isn't a number that don't resonate, not to worry, okay? Because if you don't have a number in mind, you can just watch the video, okay? Just watch the video, and I hope you're in something comfortable so you can feel nice and relaxed, and you have a nice cup of tea or a beverage that you can sip on, okay? So I'm sipping on chamomile tea. What are you sipping on? Let us know. Put it in the comments, okay? Put it in the comments. All right, collective. So we're going to get into it. But before we do, we like to do a little opening, just to open the reading, okay? So we're just going to say thank you for the messages that we're about to receive. May the messages help us as a collective, to develop our intuition, to help us, to with messages that can help us, to guide us, strengthen us, and support us along the way, and to support us on our spiritual journey, on our journey of growth, on our journey of healing, on our journey of love, self-love. Okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay? All right, so now that we've done that, I hope you are feeling nice and comfortable, because what I'll do now is I will see you on the other side, okay? So there is pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. So see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile 1. So for the collective who chose pile 1, we're going to see what are underneath these cards, and then we're going to prepare a meditation. We're going to get into the meditation based on the information that we see from these cards, okay, collective? So I hope you are feeling I hope you are feeling relaxed and comfortable, okay? Because we want you to get comfortable and feel nice and airy. That's what we do around here as part of the Wagwan Tarot Anti Collective. So welcome. Please like and subscribe, okay? Because we're going to get into it. Okay, we're going to get into it, okay? So I hope you've got a nice little beverage, and yes, we're going to see Wagwan. All right. Okay. So we have, I want to introduce you to friends. I want to introduce you to friends. Ooh, what's going on here? I want to introduce you to some friends. Hey. Then we have, I can't hide my feelings anymore. I can't hide my feelings anymore. Baby, I can't hide my feelings. Can't hide my feelings anymore, you know. I can't hide those feelings. Then we have a Jamaican proverb reading. If you can't catch Quackle, you catch him shirt. So if you can't catch Quackle, you catch him shirt. So that simply means if you can't catch something or someone or the birds or any, if you can't catch something, then you have to be strict, use your strategic skills to then help you to figure out how you can achieve something. Okay, so if you are set yourself on a target and it seems like you're not able to get that target, how can you work your way around it? Okay, so that's about being strategic and figuring out your ways. It can also be used as like to say, oh, it might be you trying to seek revenge, get your own back, find ways of how you can create traps. But we're not into that. We're not into that. But we can look at how, let's say, based on what we might see in the tarot card, how we can use this to help us to maybe overcome something or overcome a hurdle. Okay. All right, and we have the world. So yes, with the world, it allows us to open doors, open opportunities. The world represents great things coming ahead for you. The divine has opened itself to let you now go forward and take these opportunities. And here there are opportunities in terms of someone wants to introduce you to your friends. Who is this person, collective? Someone wants to introduce you to their world. I can't hide my feelings anymore. There is someone maybe wanting to come and tell you what it is that they want to share with you. Or perhaps it could be you who wants to invite someone into your world or to tell them about your feelings. Put it into the comments, collective. Let us know what gwan. So based on this information, we're going to come up with a meditation. But before we do, we will also pick from the spiritual guidance cupcake. Okay, so we're just gonna have a quick little look if we can get a message for pile one. For the collective that chose pile one, can we have a spiritual guidance message, please? Thank you. Okay, let's see what's that. Okay, so we have here. Ooh, look at that. What are we doing, collective? Oh, wow. So the just means, oh, wow. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's kind of, oh my gosh. So it basically says, meditate for 5 minutes before bed and say what you are thankful for to close the day. Meditate for 5 minutes before bed and say what you are thankful for to close the day. Collective, Wagwan Tarot Anti Collective, do you hear this message? What is he just about to do? We're just about to meditate. OMG. OMG. Thank you for these messages. Thank you for the messages. Thank you for the messages. Thank you for the messages. Wow. So what we're going to do, we're going to meditate. We're going to meditate based on this information that we've received. Okay, so we have the world in front of us. We've got I can't hide my feelings anymore. We've got about being strategic. And we have about I want to introduce you to friends. Okay, so essentially, let's look at how we can create a holistic, meditation. It could be not long. but using affirmations and mantras. Okay, so I have a little bell here as well. So we're going to use it to open and to close. Okay, so we're going to open the meditation. To the Wagwan Tara and Tea Collective that chose pile 1. We're gonna start this meditation now. I hope you are feeling nice and relaxed and comfortable. If you need to have a nice little sip on your tea, your beverage, your water, whatever it is you have sipping right now, just take a little time. I'm going to also have a little sip as well. Okay, quick sip. Now, I hope you're feeling nice and comfortable as we get into this, okay? So, you are loved. You're safe. You are protected, okay? So close your eyes, and I want you to embrace that feeling of feeling safe, feeling that you are loved, and feeling that you are protected, collective, okay? See the world that you are sitting, see yourself sitting down, and you are holding the world in your hands. You are holding the world in your hands, collective. And as you hold that world in your hands, you see water, you see land. And each part of those lands that you see represents different parts of your life. Love, security, stability, finance, wealth, health. And as you look and you look and you look closer to the world that's in between your hands, a message comes to your mind and says, you've got this, you've got this, you've got the world between your hands, you've got this. All you need to do is believe that you've got this. It is here for you, honey. It is here for you, my lovely. It is here for you. The world is here, ready and waiting for you to go out and shine. Go and shine your beautiful aura, your beautiful energy out to the world for everyone to see. It is here, baby. It is here. And I want you to feel that light shining on you. The light is shining and it's shining and it's shining and it's glowing. You are surrounded by this beautiful golden aura of love and abundance. You showing that love to yourself internally, it's glowing in all of your chakras, are overfilled with this love and light energy. That it's healing all areas of your spirit, of your soul. You're feeling good every time it goes from your crown towards the bottom of your feet. You are feeling this wonderful, abundant energy. And you are surrounded by it. You are protected by it. That you recognize that the world is still in between your hands as the light travels all around you. And as you're holding it, the world in your hands, you can feel the lightness. You can feel how light it is in your hands and recognize that the energy around you is supporting the weight of the world. And you say to yourself, you've got this. I've got this. I've got this. I've got this. I am amazing. I am amazing. I am amazing. I'm beautiful. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. And the world is mine. The world is mine. The world is mine. I'm going to show out. I'm going to go out there and show out. Go out there and show out. Show my lovely colours. I'm going to show my lovely colours. Because I believe in myself. I love myself. And that energy shines through. That energy shines through. Wherever I go, whatever I do, whatever I put my mind to, it shines through. And I know that I'm always loved. I am always protected. I am always safe. I'm always stable. I am always secure in this abundant energy. This light glows all around me. My ancestors, my guardian angels, spirit guides all guide me and protect me. I have the world in my hands. And I am thankful for this lovely, abundant energy all around me. Now sit and feel that glow. You may see these colours all around you. Beautiful colours, whether it's yellow, green or orange. Just feeling that you're basking in the abundant energy. And you have this grin, this smile on your face that's coming from within, coming from your root, from your sacral chakra. And it's flowing up and up and up and up and up, that you can't stop smiling. You can't stop smiling. And you say to yourself, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I want you to sit and rest in that energy. 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 Don't it feel good? Doesn't it feel good, collective? Wagwan Tara Auntie Collective. Doesn't it feel good? We're embracing that energy and we're feeling good in that energy. You're feeling that energy of someone saying, oh, I want to introduce you to your friends. You know, I want to go out. I want to do fun things. And you're recognizing you showing that love to yourself is opening the doors for others to show that love in return, because you are showing that love to yourself first. You are taking that time to recognize that your thoughts and feelings carry power. And you are looking after yourself. And you're showing that love to yourself. And the world in your hands blossoms and blossoms with greenery, beautiful flowers. The water is clear as the blue skies. And you just feel so abundant holding it, feeling so regal in that energy. And as you hold it, you recognize how powerful the energy is, and you continue to say thank you. Thank you for this energy. Thank you for this beautiful worldly energy that you have given me. And I can feel this abundance. I can recognize that I am a creator of my own world. I am a creator of my own world. I am a creator of my own world. I create my own world. I create my own world. I create my own world. I am a creator. I am a creator. I am a creator. Anything that I put my mind to, I can achieve. Anything I put my mind to, I can achieve. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. And you sit and you embrace that feeling. You're embracing that feeling. It's making you feel good. You're feeling good, collective. You're feeling irie, meaning you are feeling great. The vibrations are coming in. The frequency is changing. You are recognizing that your frequency, your vibration is on a level that is ascending to your higher self, ascending to that abundant energy. You are recognizing that you are feeling good. And with that feeling good is bringing more great feelings of abundance around you. And you say to yourself, may I live in this energy forever. May I live in this energy forever. May I live in this energy forever. And so that I can continue to always remember what it feels like to be in this abundant energy. And you hold the world. Keep holding that world. And you look at it and you see the evergreen all around you and how abundant it looks, how beautiful it looks. And you say, this is what's inside of me. This energy is inside of me. This is my energy. I am this beautiful. I am this amazing. I am beautiful. And you look at it one more time and you say to yourself, thank you, thank you, thank you, world. Thank you. Thank you for this beautiful, evergreen, ever abundant. And this is so beautiful. Because I'm beautiful. And you look at it one more time. And then you hold it in the palm of your hands, cupping it in your hands. And you place your hands to your heart. So placing your hands onto your heart, okay? Placing your hands onto your heart. So seeing yourself, taking the world, the evergreen, abundant world, and placing it to your heart and saying, you live in my heart. I am you and you are me. This evergreen, abundant energy, beautiful aura is me. And it will always shine through. It will always shine through. Because the world is an abundant, just like I am abundant and full of joy, full of beauty. And you smile and you embrace that energy. And it feels good. It feels good, collective. It feels good, Wagwan Tarot collective. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling this energy. I'm feeling the energy. And I want you to place your hands on your lap and just say to yourself, I'm thankful. I am thankful for this energy. I am thankful for this loving energy. Just before we close this meditation, you feel the energy traveling through you, and it feels so good. And you're going to use this energy throughout the rest of the week, the rest, well, let's start with the rest of the day, the rest of the week, the rest of the month, remembering this energy. And if you want to go back and to this, go back to reclaiming this energy again, or you need into a little boost, come back to this meditation, tune into it, and it will always be there for you to come back to and tune back into this energy. Okay, so we're going to close the meditation with the bell. So eyes opening, looking all around you, twiggling your fingers and your toes. Okay. Having a nice sip of water if you need to, or some tea, and just embracing that energy. And, embracing it, that now this energy is yours. The world is yours. This energy is yours. Okay, collective? So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you really enjoyed that meditation. And remember, okay, to meditate for 5 minutes before bed and say what you're thankful for. Okay? So I'm going to start. I'm very thankful for the Wagwan Tarot and Tea Collective. It warms my heart to know that there are people, out there that love the content and love the readings, the podcasts, and I look forward for it to be growing and growing and growing every day, and I'm very thankful, very thankful. So tell me what you are thankful, okay? Please put it in the comments. Put it in the comments. Let us know, Wagwan. And I'll see you on the next one. Okay? Wagwan. Wagwan people. Wagwan tea sippers. Wagwan generals. So we have pile 2. Pile 2. And we're going to see Wagwan in pile 2 to help us to prepare our meditation, and the messages that we receive. So from the messages that we've received from the cards. So we're going to have a look and see Wagwan. So let's get into it. Okay, but before we do, please make sure you are feeling nice and comfortable before we get into the meditation. And I hope you have a nice cup of tea or beverage to keep you hydrated, okay? All right, so let's see Wagwan. Okay, so we have from a Jamaican reading, proverb, so it's Jamaican proverb reading, as I should say. Take where you get till you get what you want. Take where you get till you get what you want. Take where you get till you get what you want. So take what you can get right now until you get where you want to be, until you can get what you want, yeah, what you really want. So work towards your goals. Every little step helps you to get where you want to be, so continue to be disciplined, continue to be consistent. All right, so we're getting some messages already. Okay, work towards your goals, and every little steps help you to get where you want to be. So to be disciplined and consistent. Okay, so we've got that one we'll keep in mind. Then we have personal growth. Okay, and then we have Libra, and currently we're in the Libra month, and the Libra month is all about balance, also justice. The justice card represents the Libra. Libra is also under Venus, so it's all about love. Okay, so we're showing that love to ourselves today, collective. Wagwan Tara Anti Collective. We're showing that love to ourselves today. Okay, so we've got the Libra energy that we should tap into that Libra energy, and we have personal growth. So we're going to have a look and see what the tarot tells us as well. So we've got the Two of Pentacles. Okay, so the Two of Pentacles, yeah, that's all about like so the pentacles represents stability, like like in the physical world, okay, and it's like someone who here he's juggling something, okay, and we have the waters. So I always see what the waters kind of represents like the cup's energy. So there could be things that of like trying to juggle things or having more than one option and trying to focus on which one they should choose. And as we already had from this Jamaican proverb reading, take where you get so you can get what you want. It's about us and the balance. Remember the Libra energy. So there's a lot of trying to like balance, discipline, focus on what we want. Okay, so we've got that mindful. It was also number 2. How interesting as well, number 2's read. So we're going to also get a message from the spiritual guidance cupcake. This looks so yummy. I wish I could eat it right now. So we're going to have a look and see what message we can get from here as well to help us before we use the messages to help us prepare a meditation. Okay, so I'm just going to put my finger in here and just see what message comes out for the collective who chose pile 2. So can we have a message once came out? Okay. Okay, so we'll close that. Right, I'll put that there and we'll have a look and see what message for the collective. Wow. You are beautiful, honey. You're beautiful. You are beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, LMG. Damn, you fine, girl. You fine, boy. You are beautiful. Create your own motivational voice note for yourself on your phone. Ooh, wee. You are beautiful. Create your own motivational voice note for yourself on your phone. So we have the Two of Pentacles here, okay? We've got the Two of Pentacles here, okay? Then we have Libra energy, okay? So we need to tap into the Libra energy, okay? Then we have this message of personal growth, and we have this message about working towards our goals. Every little steps help us along the way. So being disciplined and being consistent. So as this came out, what we can do is focus the meditation on seeing ourselves making that voice note and coming out with things, you know, that will help us with our personal growth. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna have a quick sip before we do. Just give me a sec, just to have a quick sip. I hope you take a chance as well to have a quick sip on some chamomile tea. Please tell us what you're sipping. And if you haven't already, my lovelies, please subscribe, like, and comment on the channel, you know. And we're going to get into it. So we have a little bell here to open the meditation. So I'm going to ring it now. Okay, so now the meditation is open and we're going to begin. You're going to also hear the bell at the end of the meditation as we come to a close, okay? So I want you to get now into in a relaxed state, you feeling nice and comfortable. If you're sitting in a chair or if you're on your bed, just getting nice and comfortable. I want you to get really nice and comfortable. You know, come on, you're in a nice, safe, comfortable space, all right? To the collective, you hear me? You feel me? All right. So now we've got Two of Pentacles, personal growth, Libra energy, okay? Being disciplined and being consistent. So I want you to feel nice and relaxed, closing your eyes, okay? Closing your eyes. And I just want you to just listen carefully to my voice, okay? You closing your eyes, and I want you to see yourself, okay? Seeing yourself writing a note. You could either be seeing yourself writing a little note in your journal, in a book, or you sending yourself a text message, or seeing yourself preparing this voice note, okay? And as you are seeing yourself doing this, taking this action, you are you are embracing the fact of recognizing that you are taking that action, okay? So we're going to be taking this, we're going to see ourselves taking that action of writing it down, and we're going to say it out loud, okay? I am beautiful. I am beautiful. And you can see yourself writing it down or typing it. I am beautiful. And I want you to say it in your most confident voice ever. Or anywhere how you say it, how, bring your personality into it when you are saying it. I am beautiful. Yeah, I am beautiful, I am beautiful. No matter where you are in the world, or if you have another mother tongue that you're more comfortable with, I want you to say it in that language, or just, say it how you feel comfortable. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I'm beautiful. And you're just writing, I'm beautiful. I am beautiful. I'm beautiful. I am beautiful. And as you write it down, the more you write it down, the more you say it with conviction, and you're realizing something is warming up inside you. This feeling, this good feeling is starting to bubble up, bubble up, bubble up, bubble up. The more you say, I'm beautiful, I'm beautiful, I'm beautiful, it's starting to bubble up, and you're feeling good, you're feeling airy, you're feeling sweet. Yeah, airy is all about that sweet feeling good. Eh? You're feeling sweeter than sugar, baby. You're feeling sweet. And you're just writing it. You're texting it to yourself saying, I feel good. Or, yeah, while you're saying it out loud. You're saying it out loud. I just feel good. I feel good. I feel on top of the world right now. And I recognize the power that's within me. I can make decisions. I can make decisions. And you can see yourself making decisions without no hesitation. Decisions that will benefit you. Decisions that will help others. You can see yourself doing that. And it feels good. It feels good. You're recognizing the importance of tapping into that Libra energy, of seeking that balance, seeking justice, recognizing that you have to be consistent and disciplined. And you say to yourself, I'm always consistent. I am always disciplined. I am always consistent, and I'm always disciplined. Even when life gets in the way at times, I stay true to myself. I stay true to my goals, and I keep on pushing. I keep on pushing. I keep on pushing. And as you say that, you then see yourself on a bike and you're You're going up the hill, on that bike, but you're not stopping. You keep pushing. You have this ball of abundance inside your belly, this heat in your belly that's pushing, because you can see yourself going up that hill, going up. That's you, and you're carrying yourself, and it's that belief in yourself, that determination to know that you can get yourself there, because you believe in yourself, honey. You believe in yourself, lovely. You believe in yourself, my darling. And it's getting you there. You're carrying yourself there. And you say, with that determination, with that discipline, I know that I can do and achieve whatever I want in my life. I've got this. I've got this, because I believe in myself. I am pretty upon any side. I believe in myself. And that self-love within carries me through any obstacle, any hurdle. And I want you to sit and embrace that. I want you to sit and embrace that feeling, collective. How good it feels. You writing it down, you texting it to yourself, you saying it out loud. Embrace that feeling. We are growing together, collective. Learning together, healing together. Can you feel it? It feels amazing. And I want you to embrace that feeling. Embrace it. Embrace that energy. You know, seeing your life. You're crossing the hurdles. You're like an Olympic champion. And you're racing through. You're racing through. You've got this. You've got this. You've got this, girl. You've got this, boy. You've got this, brother. You've got this. Because you're amazing. You are amazing. And you're embracing that feeling. You're recognizing your true power. You're recognizing that, you know, when obstacles or any situations come in your way, you've got this. You've got the ability to take that time to sit, to reflect, and recognize, you know, you are your own creator. And through consistency, through discipline, you make great decisions for yourself. Decisions that will support your finances, your wealth, you know, obtaining wealth, obtaining security, obtaining stability. You've got this. 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 I want you to have a big grin on your face, you know, with your eyes closed. And I want you, hoping that you feeling this energy of abundance surrounding you, recognizing your true power, sis. Your true power, bro. Embrace that energy. And I want you to sit in that energy and say to yourself, this energy will carry me through every day, every week, every month, every year, because I'm tapping into this energy of abundance. I'm tapping into this energy of personal growth. I'm tapping into this energy. 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 And as you say that, I'm tapping into this energy, I want you to give yourself a nice hug, just like this, as you say it, saying, I'm tapping into this energy. I'm tapping into this energy. I'm always consistent. I am always motivated. I am always disciplined. And embrace that feeling. And I want you to sit in that feeling. And on the count of 1 to 3, I'm going to ask you to open your eyes. So 1, 2, 3. So if you can open your eyes, twiggle your fingers. Twiggle the fingers, darling. Twiggle them fingers. Yes, 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 yes. Twiggle them toes. Twiggle them toes, darling. I hope you're feeling nice and airy and sweet. Okay? And I want you to tap into this energy, you know. Come back to this video, come back to this meditation, come back to this reading when you want to get some nice, airy feeling. You know, if there's a project or anything that you're working on and you just want to get into that state, tap into this energy. Okay, this is always there waiting for you. It's timeless, so you can come to it at any time. All right? Anytime you want. Anytime. So I hope you're feeling good, you know. Stay hydrated. Look after yourself. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and put it in the comments. Tell us how you felt after that meditation. Okay? I hope you're feeling good and airy. Yeah? Feeling sweet. Me lovelies. Feeling sweet. Me generals. Me generals. Okay? Tapping into that energy. Okay? So please share with others and look after yourself and stay blessed, feel good, look good, and wagwan. Wagwan people, wagwan tea sippers, wagwan me generals. How are you all doing? Right, so we have pile 3. So we want to see wagwan under pile 3. Okay, but before we do, okay, all right, I hope you are feeling nice and relaxed, feeling comfortable, and have some water or tea. And if you haven't already, my people, please subscribe to the channel and be part of the Wagwan Tarot and Tea Collective family. All right, because we're gonna get into it, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, so what we're also going to do is we have a little bell here. So when we get into the meditation bit, I'll tell you the steps, all right? But just so you know. All right. Okay. So let's see Wagwan under pile 3. Let's put that here. All right. So we've got the Jamaican proverb reading here. Today for me, tomorrow for you. All right. So today for me, tomorrow for you. Today for me, tomorrow for you. So today for me and tomorrow for you. Today for me, tomorrow for you. Okay? So today for me, but tomorrow I feel. Today for me, but tomorrow I feel. Yeah, I feel. Okay? So that simply means today for me and tomorrow for you. Okay? Life has its ups and downs, you know, cycles. Sometimes things are going really well and sometimes things are not going well. Sometimes that's just the way how life is at times, okay? But through gratitude and reflection, that helps us to look at the great things that we have going in our life, you know, and to also kind of take approach of the glass isn't half empty, it's half full. Yeah, so sometimes it's as well about that mindset shift. So if we can, you know, use that to help us to kind of see that, you know, the great things that we have in our life, no matter how little it is. It could be that, you know, we have trees around us, we're breathing, you know, we have good health, we have a bed, we have any little things that you can be thankful for, because then that helps us to see the wealth around us. You feel me, collective? You feel me? You feel me? All right. So we have this today for me, tomorrow for you. Okay. Then we have, ooh, the Six of Wands. So the Six of Wands represents victory. It represents success. It represents yes. You know, things are coming your way, honey. You better celebrate them and enjoy them. You've taken the time. You know, you may have put some time out there to recognize, you know, again, today for you, tomorrow for you, today for me, tomorrow for you. Now is your time. Now is your time. We're embracing it. We're celebrating it with you, sis. With you, bro. We're celebrating it with you. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, we're celebrating it with you, baby. We are celebrating with you, darling. Hey, yes, we are celebrating. We're gonna turn up, okay? We're gonna get turned up. We're gonna get turned up because we're celebrating with you. Oh yeah, we're gonna celebrate with you. Oh yeah, we're gonna celebrate with you. Oh yeah, we're gonna celebrate. Yes, that's the Six of Wands energy right there. Right there. Yeah, right there. So we're celebrating. And look what's here. Oh my gosh. Something to celebrate now. Someone is, or some energy somewhere for somebody in the collective. Will you be my husband? Will you be my husband? Or it could be vice versa. Will you be my wife? Will you be my wife? Love, I want to ask you, will you marry me? Will you be my husband? Will you be my wife? Wow. 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 Ooh. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Wow, there seems to be a lot of Six of Wands energy coming out right here. Someone else wants to take you on a date. Can I take you out on a date, baby? Ooh. Can I take you out? Can I take you out on a date? Baby love, you know me, I look upon you long time. Me, I look upon you long time. I want to take you out on a date. I want to take you on a date. Ooh, wee. Wow, someone wants to wine and dine you. Are you ready? Are you ready, collective? Wow. Wow. This kind of energy is making you feeling giddy. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling this giddy energy already for you, collective. All right. So we're going to also, before we start the meditation, see if there's any other messages that we can get before we start. So we have the spiritual guidance cupcake. It looks so scrumptious. I could eat, you know, you want to eat it. So we're going to have a look and see what message that comes for the collective that chose pile 3. Can we have a message? So I'm just placing my finger and seeing what comes out. One looks like it's popping out for us. Ooh. Okay. Let's have a look. What is under, what's in the message? Let's have a look. Ooh, wow. Okay. Listen to your gut / your intuition. If something don't feel right, trust it. Listen to your gut / your intuition. So listen to your gut. So your gut is usually kind of like in synchronicity with your intuition. Okay, so recognize it's like from the root chakra, the sacral. It's like that, you know, towards the lower part of your abdomen, your that part of that region area where it's that kind of your gut instinct. You know, trusting that energy, trusting that feeling that when you get that or something doesn't feel right, trusting that. And the spiritual guidance today is telling you to listen to that and trust it more, okay? So if you ever get those feelings, to trust it. But collective, please, if you do get them kind of feelings there, let us know. Put it in the comments. Put it in the comments. Let us know what's going on. and tell us, so we can all grow, we can all learn from it, okay? All right. So now that we have some messages, we can use this to help us with our meditation, okay? Okay, so we're going to tap into that 6 of 1 energy and recognizing today for me, tomorrow for you. All right, collective? So we have the bell here, so we're going to open it, and the bell to close. I hope I don't forget. If once you get into the meditation, sometimes you can get into it and forget, okay? So forgive me, all right? So we're going to ring it a little bit. Can you hear that, collective? Can you hear that, my lovelies, my darlings, my generals? All right, so we're going to now start, okay? So now what I want you to do is get nice and comfortable. If you haven't already, please do take a sip, because we're going to be a while. Maybe just a little bit, a little bit. Okay. Sipping on that nice chamomile tea, making me feel already nice and rested. I hope you are too. Okay. Right. So we're embracing that 6 of 1's energy, 6 of 1's energy, 6 of 1's energy. Okay, so I want you to feel nice and comfortable, collective. If you're on a bed, on a sofa, I want you to just feel nice and comfortable. You can lie down, rest your head, close your eyes, and get really comfortable, okay? It's just you just being comfortable in your own skin. That's where we want to be, okay? All right, collective, you're all nice and comfy, all right? Yeah. All right. So now that you're all nice and comfy and you're all relaxed, your eyes are closed, okay? I want you to see yourself and you see yourself as being the last person on a relay team. You're on a team and you are the last person. And the baton has been given to you. And you have that baton in your hand and you're holding it very firmly and you're running and you can see yourself running. And as you can see yourself running, people are cheering, yes, look at it, oh my God, look at it running, oh yes, people are clapping, yes, and you're running, you're just so focused, so determined on what you're doing, You're just keeping your eye on the prize, on what you need to do, and you're just getting yourself there, and you're running. People are cheering you on, and it feels good. And you're going around the bend. And you start to recognize, oh my gosh, where are all the other athletes? You're not seeing anybody. You're just seeing yourself getting closer and closer to your prize. You're seeing the prize, and I want you to picture the prize, your dream prize. It could be a car, it could be a house, it could be wealth, or it could be a trophy. Whatever is the prize you see, just picture that prize, and you can just feel yourself getting faster and faster. And you're saying to yourself, this is what everything I've worked for is coming to me. And you can feel that abundant energy as you run and you're speeding and you're stepping. And you can feel the energy as you run. People cheering you on. Yes, you've got this. Oh my, yes. Oh amazing. You're feeling amazing. The energy is coming. It's coming. And you're remembering that saying, today for me, tomorrow for you. And you're today for me, tomorrow for you. And you're chanting it to yourself. You're saying it to yourself till it becomes this mantra that you have in your head. You're seeing the 6 of Wands. You're seeing yourself getting faster and faster and faster and faster. You've passed everybody. Everyone now is behind you, and you were getting there, and you're getting there, and you're saying to yourself, I am so thankful. I am so thankful. I can see myself at the finishing line. 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 You're getting closer and closer and closer. You're seeing yourself getting closer and closer and closer. The baton is in your hand firmly. You're holding it tight. You're holding it tight. Your teammates are clapping for you with joy, seeing your success. They're seeing it. Your friends are in the background clapping. Your family are there clapping for you. They can see you getting closer and closer to your dreams, closer and closer to your trophy, closer and closer to your desire. They can see it. They can recognize now. They can see it. You notice as well as you get closer that you can see that all the hard work, everything has not been in vain. Every step that you have taken towards your healing, towards your growth, is coming closer and closer to you. Closer and closer to you, closer and closer to you. You see that line, you see that line, you see that line, and you're saying, yes, 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 it's coming closer to me. I can see it, I can feel it, I believe it. I am that. This is me. This is my time. I am the 6 of Wands energy. I'm tapping into success. I'm tapping into victory. And you've got it. 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 You recognize that you've passed that line, and it's the shock, the amazement. You're still in shock. You're still in surprise that you achieved it from all this hard work, all that time and effort that you've made. You've held on that baton, and you're still holding on to that baton. And the athletes that were behind you are still behind you. You people are clapping for you with joy. Yes! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yes! Woohoo! Woohoo! You're still in amazement. Can't believe that you've done it. But then in that ounce of a moment of all of that background noise around you, you can hear yourself say, I am so thankful for today. I am so thankful for this achievement. I am so thankful that all this hard work I am now reaping all of this hard work. It's now coming into fruition. And I'm so thankful for this growth, for this energy. And as you say that to yourself, this abundant glow just shines upon you. And it shines everywhere. It starts from your crown, and it trickles all the way down to your shoulders, down to your heart, chest area, to your belly button, all the way to your root chakra, to your lower abdomen, and it trickles down all the way to your feet, that you feel a bit giddy, that you have to bend down a little bit closer to the ground. As you do that, one of your teammates comes over you to cover you with a towel and says, well done, well done. You can hear the noise, the clapping. Yeah! Well done, well done, well done, well done. And you are gleaming with this aura of abundance, this glory, this victory, this success. Because now you can see, you can visualize your award, your trophy, your prize. It is here. You've got this, sis. You've got this, bro. And it was all of your hard work, all of your determination that got you this far. You put that time and energy. You put that time and energy in yourself. You put that time to invest in yourself. This is what self-love looks like. This is what hard work and determination looks like. This is what success looks like. And you've done it. You did it. All by yourself, sis. All by yourself, bro. You did it. Yes, brother. Yes, sister. You did this all by yourself. And you embrace that energy. You embrace that energy. You start smiling like a Cheshire cat. You can't stop smiling. You can't stop smiling. The more you try to stop smiling, the more wider your grin becomes. And it feels so amazing. It feels so amazing. It feels like you're sitting in a pot of gold right now. How much you are glowing with this aura of abundance, of prosperity, of victory, of success. And you say thank you. You open your hands out and you say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. May I live in this forever. May I live in this forever. May I live in this forever. May I live in this energy forever. May I live in this energy forever. And it feels good, collective. It feels so good. Every part of you is glowing. Every part of you is glowing. And it feels so good. Feels so good. You hear the noise. Yeah! Well done! Well done! You did this! You did this! And you're embracing every single bit of it. Because you remember, today was your turn. It was your turn to shine, sis. It was your turn to shine, brother. You did it. You did it. Embrace that energy. That is you in all your glory. In all of your glory. And doesn't it feel wonderful? Doesn't it feel amazing? Doesn't it feel amazing? Oh my gosh. Yes, it does. And I want you to embrace it, sit in it, see all the colours all around you, glowing all around you. How beautiful they are, representing your beautiful energy. That's some beautiful energy you got, sis. Some beautiful energy you got, brother. Embrace it. And the more you embrace it, you feel so relaxed, so comfortable in it, that you can feel the energy just moving all around you. And as you can feel that energy, we're going to come to a close. Because now, sis, now, brother, you recognize that you have that energy within you. You have that 6 of Wands, that powerful energy, that powerful success energy within you. It sits within you. It is in harmony with you. It is you. And you sit with joy and comfort. Don't it feel good? Don't it feel good? Yes, it does, honey. Yes, it does, darling. Yes, my generals, it feels good. And we lay back. And I want you to open your eyes on the count of 3. Okay? And you're gonna hear a bell as well. 1, 2, 3. Yes, yes, yes. That 6 of Wands energy, darlings, was glowing all around you, and it's still glowing all around you. And I want you to just have a quick look around the room where you are, twiggle your fingers and twiggle your toes, and just feel that energy. That energy is with you every day, everywhere, every week, every month, every year. Anytime you want that, you tap into that energy. come back to this video, come back to this meditation, come back to this reading, and tap into this energy, sis. Tap into this energy, brother. Because it's here. It is within you. Okay? And when you want to feel that energy, come back here. Come back here and tap into that energy. Yeah? That feel good energy. And always remember, sometimes when things are not always looking like it's coming your way, you've got this. You got this. You got this. We believe in you. As a collective, we believe in you. We know you've got this. All right? All right? All right? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling sweet. Yeah? And if you haven't had a little sip already, please do, you know. But, you know, and also trust your gut. So I want you to, as a collective as well, take that message as well. Trust your gut. If something feels right, yeah, trust your gut. If something doesn't feel right, trust that message as well that you're getting from your gut, your instinct, okay? But yes, I hope you enjoyed the meditation, and please put it in the comments. Tell us how you felt. Tell us how it was for you, you know, and put it in at the comments. Please put it in the comments. Tell us, you know, tell us what gwan, all right? Please share with friends and family, all right, collective? And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Come join this family. We're all about that love and light, that growth, you know, that spiritual coaching. You know, we're all about that energy, transformation, everything, healing. It's a safe space for us all. So please come and join the family. All right, all right, all right, all right. So I hope you take this energy and carry it with you. Tap into it whenever you need. Okay, if you're working on a project or anything, or you're feeling like sometimes you're having a day where it's like you might be just kind of just need that little up boost. Tap into it. Come back to the video. It's timeless. You can always come back to it whenever you need to. Okay, all right. So on that note, please make sure you look after yourself. Stay blessed. Remember, you're pretty on any side. Yes. Yes. Show that love to yourself. All right. Stay blessed. You know, feel good, look good. And I'll see you on the next one. Gwan.